everybody, Alexa here at East Nashville Community Acupuncture, and it is time to Ask the Acupuncturist. I'm with Jessica Gaddis.
Hi.
And Jessica, we've had a patient ask about acupuncture for neuropathy and nerve damage. So I thought you could talk about how acupuncture treats nerve issues.
Definitely. So the problem with the nerve cells in our body is it takes a long time for these to regenerate, much longer than, say, a blood cell or skin cell. So with people that experience neuropathy, and I can give you all an example too, using my father actually. He is diabetic type 1, and he has had neuropathy issues for 20 plus years. However, this last year, we've been able to have time to do a lot more regular treatments. And there was a situation a couple months ago where he went to his podiatrist and they did the Babinski test. They felt the bottom of the foot. And for the first time in 20 years, he was actually able to feel the bottom of his foot.
That's amazing.
And
was the podiatrist shocked?
Oh yeah, the podiatrist was definitely shocked. And at the same time, he also offered a really good explanation too. Especially with nerves, the larger nerves have a more difficult time regenerating. However, it's the smaller nerves that we can usually get with acupuncture. It's effective to have them regenerate a lot easier and a lot faster. I'll tell you another little story about when I was working on the cruise ship. I had a guy come in and he said that he wasn't able to use his arm. It was basically paralyzed 90%, 92%. And he was able to do 18 treatments with acupuncture and got back 80% of his usage from his arm. Now, 18 treatments may sound like a lot. However, if it's going to bring your body back into balance and usage, then it's going to be worth every penny. And luckily for us at the community clinic, we offer sliding scale treatments. So it is more affordable for people to come in and get their neuropathy and their nerve damage taken care of.
That's great. And that's so interesting what you're saying about the regeneration of the smaller nerves, because I feel like acupuncture is so effective for nerve conditions, and we treat so much of that here. We treat trigeminal neuralgia, Bell's palsy, neuropathy in the feet, sciatica, and those are some of my favorite conditions to treat because they respond so well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the alternative to that, there's certain medications that do have side effects. So if you're looking for something safer, instead of using gabapentin, it would be a good alternative to try acupuncture first, because it's also going to help with the nerve pain by not only blocking those pain signals from getting to the brain, but also increasing your endorphin production by the brain, which is our body's natural painkillers.
Yeah.
So you can't have too many endorphins. That's
right. So lots of benefits for nerve conditions. Well, that's a great explanation. Thanks, Jessica.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.